Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the one-hand mode on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. So very first thing is swipe up and then go to your setting. Now from your settings here, you're going to scroll down until you see advanced feature. So you're going to tap on advanced feature. And in the advanced feature here, one-hand mode is listed here. So first thing you need to turn it on. Now after that, you're going to go ahead and click on it. Now there's different ways to basically activate this one-hand mode. So you can do a gesture, which you can swipe down from the center of the bottom edge, or you can use the home button. So you can double tap the home button or triple tap depending on the phone model that you have to activate it. So to activate this, I'm going to double tap the home button. And as you can see here, I can now use the one-hand mode. And I can move it over, as you can see, if I needed to on this side or this side, so you can adjust it if you're left or right hand. And to exit out, all you're going to do is basically click that home button twice and it will exit out. And then to enter, just like that. And then you can adjust as well. As you can see here, you can move it around, adjust it accordingly like this, or center it, move it over, and do a lot more with it. So depending on how you want it, you can use this feature to do that, and then double click to exit out. So that's how you enable it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your phone. We'll see you guys next time.